Hello traders, this is Caroline Alexander, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you all had a wonderful trading day and you're all ready to do some technical analysis here with me. And by the way, it is Wednesday, December 8th of 2010 and we're looking at the Q's daily chart as we always do. So check this out. Wow, we are dropping big time in the morning, and then in the afternoon. What happened here was that we are rallying back up, closing above that 5404 resistance area that we were talking here about for quite a while right here. And it was a really pretty strong area of resistance that we needed to pay really close attention to. So what happened here was that banks just gained some strength right in the afternoon, and then they helped actually the market rally back up from the lows that we formed early in the morning. So that was the story for today. So what we need to look for here tomorrow and then Friday is a move one way or the other. This little candlestick right here is another candlestick right after this bearish candlestick that we had yesterday, and it's forming, it looks to me like it's the beginning of a high base formation right here at this level, at the high of the 5404 mark. So what could happen here? We could go either way. We could go up, we could go down, or we could consolidate here for a while before we get a major move. So watch the areas of support and resistance here that I'm going to show it here to you in a moment. And also check this out. The MACD is still heading north. It's still heading more north than south with another positive tick, which is telling me that, the MACD is not very bearish. It's not confirming any bearish moves. It's still pointing higher, which is telling me that we're bullish according to the MACD. So you will need to pay really close attention to the chart, what actually happens tomorrow and then the next day. So first of all, we'll need to watch the high of today, which is at the 54.15 mark. And then also we need to pay really close attention to the low of today, which was at the 53.69 mark. So put both of these little trend lines on your chart and watch them really carefully here tomorrow and then Friday. So let me draw these little lines right there, and that was, the low was 53.82, 53.69, sorry, 53.69, there we go. And then the high of today was at 54.52, 54.15, huh? Where am I taking these numbers from? But anyways, yeah, 54.15. Let's put that little trend line in here, the 54.15 mark, and do it this way so you know exactly what to look for tomorrow. And also pay really close attention to the 54.04 mark. Just don't forget about this major area of support or of resistance to watch. And then if we get a bounce to the upside, a breakout to the upside through the high of today, and then we close above it, then we could have some more potential to the upside all the way up to that next area of resistance right here at the 55.02 mark. If we do not, if we instead break back down, that's what we were trying to do today, but it was not confirmed. We were heading lower right after we opened, and then we rallied back up, closing above that high. So that was a fake. It didn't confirm that bearish candlestick that we were talking about yesterday. So if we get a breakout to the downside instead, then we'll have to pay really close attention to that lower area of support right here, the 53.45 mark, as well as the 8 moving average, which is sitting right at the 53.45 mark. So this is a very major area of support right now to watch. And also pay really close attention to the MACD and look for a confirmation. So the other thing I was going to ask you here before I let you go is that I just changed the background color of this chart to black, and before we had it in blue. So if you could just let me know if that's better for you, or if if you like the blue color better. So I would like you to know your opinion. Okay, so if you could just help me out with that, I would just really appreciate it. So okay, so have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.